So ito yung street kung saan nakatira si President Duterte.
Everything changes.
Yeah, so right now ay mag-isa lang ako dito. Kinakabahan ako kasi luma na tong hotel na ito. And so, tignan nyo na lang yung mga napuntahan ko.
May souvenir items pa si President Digong. So ito yung street kung saan nakatira si President Duterte. So dun yung bahay niya sa dulo at meron dong standee kung saan pwede kang mag-selfie with the President.
A few moments later.
Oh, nandito rin pala si President Duterte. So we'll be having some lunch here at Luz Kinilaw Inihaw place. Tingnan natin yung choices ng mga inihaw nila dito.
More moments later.
So dito sa Magsaysay Fruit Market, pwedeng i-dine in ang durian ng Davao City.
Just then.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free.
Later, in the void.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see?
Later that same evening.
Hi! So ngayon ay itatry kong pumunta doon sa night market nila. Across lang siya nitong Marco Polo Hotel Davao at katabi ng Aldavinco na shopping center. And iyon ay isang buong street na punong-puno ng mga street foods and also may ukay-ukay. So let's check and see. thank you so much sa panunood sa aking mga vlogs. If you want to see more, just click the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts. Peace!